is Lance from Lance's Auto Vlog, and I'm back on another video. So we got a Mercedes Compressor C230. It's a 2004-5, and as you can see, we got some cool cars for today. We already pulled the radio out. Pulled the radio out of the dash. So literally, we had to take the 2 screws out of there and hold the ashtray. 2 screws out of the top that hold the vent in, which you have to fold the vents up and then get the screws. 2 screws come out of there to pull out the top air conditioning, and then there's 2 screws that hold in. Actually, there's that AC comes out, and then the radio comes out. Okay, so we've already taken the privilege of running the backup camera, which we got to tighten up. You know, it's a long wire, and the mic's up here already. Mic's up there already. So everything's ran in the car. We put a backup camera in here already, ran the wire. So we had to rewire the factory OM amp, so we had to run a 9-con here. And we're gonna put a new radio in here. It's gonna be an Alpine 407 multimedia radio. We got the harnesses here, we got the instructions here. There's the OM radio and the harness that come in the packaging. So I'll just give you a super fast video from me wiring it up, and we'll go from there. All right. So this car is all wrapped up. We used a pack AI kit, which is an MBK 102C for the C-Class 2005-2006. Crux SRW SRBM-57, which handles Mercedes. And then we used you still got to clean the car a little bit. Use that kit with the radio, and this radio 407 gives you CarPlay and on screen. Like I said, it's got a backup camera, and I'll walk you around there and get that backup camera. You got the Alpine camera right there. And let's put this thing in reverse. You got backup camera. It's cool. This interface is pretty cool. So if you have music, you got volume control from here. You got buttons to work. You got up and down. So if you're back on radio, let's go to radio. So if you go radio, you got up and down. And the steering wheel controls. As long as it's on audio. And we're in business. Pretty good, pretty easy kit, pretty nice to put it in. Nothing complicated. Got to make it sound good. Put RTA on it, tune it, because everything's got to sound good when it leaves. Peace.